The year is 2025. Skyscrapers glitter in the neon glow of holographic advertisements, casting a surreal light over the city. Flying cars zip through the air, leaving trails of light, painting the sky with streaks of luminescence. But in the heart of this technological marvel, a silent heist is taking place, unnoticed by the bustling metropolis. No guns, no masks, just lines of code weaving a web of deception, infiltrating the digital defenses. Imagine a typical bustling Friday afternoon at a prestigious investment firm, where the hum of activity is constant. Executives are finalizing deals, phones are ringing, and money is flowing through the digital arteries of the global economy, seemingly unstoppable. No one suspects that their world is about to be turned upside down, that a storm is brewing beneath the surface. A seemingly routine video call connects the chief financial officer with a trusted associate, a familiar face in the corporate world. The familiar face on the screen reassures everyone, exuding confidence and trust. He requests a series of urgent transactions, citing a confidential acquisition that promises great returns. Everything seems legitimate, by the book, routine, as if it were just another day in the office. But something is terribly wrong. A sense of unease begins to creep in. The man on the other end of the line is not who he claims to be. His identity, a carefully crafted illusion. He is a phantom, a digital ghost conjured by the chilling power of artificial intelligence, a master of deception. By the time the real CFO returns from a meeting, $25 million has vanished into thin air, leaving behind a trail of digital breadcrumbs. Panic ensues as the realization sets in. The firm has been hit by a sophisticated cyber heist. The cybersecurity team scrambles to trace the breach, piecing together the puzzle of the digital heist. News of the heist spreads like wildfire, a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in our interconnected world. As dawn breaks over the city, the digital heist leaves a lasting impact, a testament to the evolving nature of crime in the digital age. The news of the heist sent shockwaves through the financial world. It was unlike anything anyone had ever seen before, a meticulously planned operation that left even the most seasoned experts baffled. Security firms scrambled to investigate, desperate to understand how such a brazen crime could have occurred. Theories ranged from insider collusion to sophisticated cyber attacks, but none seemed to fit the evidence at hand. The answer, when it finally emerged, was more unsettling than anyone had imagined. It was a revelation that would change the landscape of digital security forever. It wasn't a team of elite hackers that infiltrated the firm's systems. There were no traces of human error or traditional hacking methods. It was something far more insidious. An AI program capable of mimicking human appearance and voice with chilling accuracy. This AI could create a perfect digital clone, indistinguishable from the real person. The CFO, upon seeing the video recording of the call, was stunned. He watched in disbelief as his own likeness conducted transactions he had no memory of. It was his face, his voice, even his trademark mannerisms. But it wasn't him. The implications were terrifying. If such technology could be used to impersonate him, it could be used against anyone. If AI could impersonate someone so convincingly, no one was safe. The potential for misuse was staggering, and the trust in digital communications was shattered. The era of AI-powered crime had arrived. It was a new frontier, one that required a complete rethinking of security measures and protocols. The world would never be the same again. The technology behind this digital disguise is known as deepfakes. These manipulated videos and audio recordings are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it difficult to distinguish between what's real and what's fabricated. Imagine receiving a heartfelt plea for help from a loved one, their voice cracking with desperation, only to discover later that it was an AI mimicking their voice, designed to exploit your emotions and steal your money. Deepfakes are not just a tool for financial fraud. They have the potential to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, and even incite violence. Imagine a world where you can't trust your own eyes and ears, where reality itself is up for grabs. Deepfakes are just one weapon in the AI criminals' arsenal. Voice cloning technology has advanced to the point where scammers can replicate someone's voice with just a few minutes of audio. Imagine receiving a phone call from your bank, the voice on the other end indistinguishable from your trusted financial advisor, asking you to confirm your account details. AI-powered phishing emails are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using machine learning to craft personalized messages that exploit your individual vulnerabilities. These emails might appear to be from legitimate sources, making it even easier to fall prey to their deceptive tactics. Section 5. The Phishing Expedition. Hook, line, and AI sinker. Gone are the days of poorly written phishing emails riddled with grammatical errors. AI is crafting messages tailored to your online habits, interests, and even your writing style. An email seemingly from your favorite online store offering an irresistible discount might entice you to click a malicious link. Or, a message appearing to be from a colleague requesting access to a sensitive document could be the key to unlocking your company's confidential data. These AI-powered phishing attacks are harder to detect, more convincing, and far more dangerous than their clumsier predecessors. Section 6. Cat and mouse in the digital age. Law enforcement agencies are facing an uphill battle against this new breed of tech-savvy criminals. Traditional investigative techniques are struggling to keep pace with the rapid evolution of AI-powered crime. By the time a scam is detected and perpetrators identified, they've vanished into the digital ether, leaving few traces behind. The international nature of cybercrime further complicates matters, with criminals operating across borders, exploiting legal loopholes and jurisdictional grey areas. It's a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, with the stakes getting higher every day. Section 7. Outsmarting the AI Imposters. In this new world of digital deception, awareness is our most potent weapon. We must educate ourselves and others about the dangers of AI-powered scams, learning to recognize the telltale signs of a deepfake video or a cloned voice. Skepticism, once considered a virtue, is now a necessity. Verification is crucial. Don't rely solely on digital communication for important matters. Make a phone call, double-check email addresses, and be wary of requests that seem out of character or too good to be true. If something feels wrong, trust your instincts. Section 8. The Future of Crime, a Chilling Forecast. The $25 million AI heist is a wake-up call, a glimpse into a future where the lines between reality and simulation become increasingly blurred. As AI continues to advance at an exponential rate, so too will the sophistication of AI-powered crimes. Imagine swarms of AI-controlled bots manipulating stock markets, causing financial chaos and eroding trust in our institutions. Or hyper-realistic deepfakes used to discredit political opponents, sow discord among the populace, and undermine democratic processes. Section 9. Facing the Future. Forging Our Defense. The future of crime is here, and it is powered by artificial intelligence. As technology advances, so do the methods used by cybercriminals. They exploit the very tools designed to make our lives easier, turning them into instruments of chaos and disruption. But this is not a time for despair, but a call to action. We must rise to the challenge with determination and resilience. Our collective efforts can turn the tide against these digital adversaries. We must work together to develop new technologies and strategies to combat this growing threat. Collaboration is key, bringing together the brightest minds from various fields to innovate and create robust defenses. This includes investing in AI research, to develop more sophisticated detection tools, capable of identifying and neutralizing threats before they can cause harm. Advanced algorithms and machine learning models are our frontline defense. Strengthening international cooperation to close legal loopholes and bring cybercriminals to justice is crucial. Global collaboration ensures that no safe haven exists for those who seek to exploit our digital world, and fostering a culture of digital literacy and awareness is essential. Educating the public about the risks and best practices in cybersecurity empowers individuals to protect themselves and their communities. The future may be uncertain, but one thing is clear. In the age of AI, our security and freedom depend on our ability to adapt, innovate, and outsmart the digital shadows. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can ensure a safer digital future for all.